In this video, you're going to learn about indefinite particles to and не будь. В пятницу в 12 часов ночи вы говорите: «Бабушка, я был на дискотеке. Кто-нибудь звонил мне по телефону?» Бабушка отвечает: «Нет, никто не звонил». А в субботу в 12 часов ночи: «Бабушка, я был на дискотеке. Кто-нибудь звонил мне по телефону?» Кто-то звонил. Кто? Кто звонил? Наташа? Она мне так нравится. Не знаю, кто. А в воскресенье: «Бабушка, я был на дискотеке. Кто-нибудь звонил мне по телефону?» Кто-то звонил. Кто? Наташа? Она такая красивая. Да, Наташа позвонила. So, can you figure out how to translate to and не будь? You might have figured out that it's something like some or any. But it's not easy to just translate one for another. We can't say that to is always some and не будь is always any. It doesn't work that way. But we can combine question words with to and не будь to create an indefinite. How do you decide which one, to or не будь? Here's some guidelines. Не будь is the more indefinite of the two. So we use не будь in things that are more indefinite, like questions, future statements, and commands. To is a little bit more definite, so we'll use it in past or present statements. So try it. See if you can figure out whether you would need to or не будь in these sentences. Do you know anything about Russian history? Yes, I know something about it. The first one we would need не будь. It's a question. Что-нибудь. I know something about it. It's a present tense statement, so we'll need to. Что-то. Did you go somewhere last night? No, I didn't go anywhere. Right, in the first sentence, we'll need не будь. Куда-нибудь. The next one, the no, I didn't go anywhere, is kind of tricky. Anywhere makes us think that we might need to or не будь, but since the sentence is negative, we'll have to go back to our negated statements. Никуда. Mom will buy me something on her trip. Here we're going to probably use не будь because it's a future statement. Что-нибудь. I know I read some Pushkin story, but I forgot the name. Here we'll want to because it's a past tense statement. Какой-то. Did you see anybody at the park? I didn't see anybody. The question, of course, will need не будь. Кого-нибудь. But the negative sentence here will need ни. Никого. Remember our question words. We have some that are indeclinable. Где, куда, когда, как, почему. These will all stay the same in any situation. They will not change. You'll just add to or не будь to the end of them. However, we have three, какой, кто, что, that can decline depending on the grammar of the sentence. Какой is an adjective, so it takes adjective endings. Кто and что take special forms. Кого, genitive and accusative animate. Чего, genitive. Dative is кому, чему. Prepositional ком, чем. Instrumental кем, чем. Try to put the right indefinite phrase into the blank. Вы at any time были в Чикаго? Да, мы at some time там были. Вы когда-нибудь были в Чикаго? Да, мы когда-то там были. In the first one, we need нибудь because it's a question, whereas in the second one, it's a past tense statement, so we use то. Why are we not saying when we were there? We're not sure from the context of the sentence. Maybe we don't remember, or maybe there's some reason why we don't want to say. Где Геннадий был на Новый год? Я знаю, что он был somewhere, но не помню где. Я знаю, что он был где-то, но не помню где. Here we want то. It's a past tense statement. Why are we not saying? Because we don't remember where he was. Did someone встретился с новыми студентами вчера? Я знаю, что Вера Владимировна встретилась with some students. Кто-нибудь встретился с новыми студентами вчера? Я знаю, что Вера Владимировна встретилась с какими-то студентами. Of course, in the first one, it's a question, so we'll use нибудь. The second one is a past tense statement. And here we need instrumental case because of the с. Какими-то студентами. Какими is the adjective, студентами is the noun. Ты говорил об anything с папой по телефону вчера? Here we should have a question mark, so we'll just write that in. Нет, мы didn't talk about anything. Ты говорил о чем-нибудь с папой по телефону вчера? Нет, мы ни о чем не говорили. So notice, in the first one, of course, it's a question. So we'll use нибудь. And since we have prepositional case after о, that will have to inform чем. We'll have to have что change to prepositional чем. And then here, since we have a negative sentence, we didn't talk about anything, we can't use то or нибудь. We must use the negative construction. Ни о чем не говорили.